If we're going to remove the liquidity, you can see that I will receive 40 Solana. If I will do this, of course, I will not do this because I am completely ethical. Chapter 1, Token Creation. What's up guys? In this video today, I'm going to launch a meme coin live so you guys can see how this works. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to solanatokenlabs.io. We can see that every minute a new token is being created because Raydium DEX is exploding worldwide with launches. For our token creation and launch on Raydium, we will use solanatokenlabs.io, a no-code based modest token creator, as it clears all our complexities in 3 simple steps. The first step is token creation. In this first step, it asks for a few simple things, like name, symbol, description, and authorities, to set the tokenomics of the coin. The second step, the Create Liquidity button, it will directly take you to Raydium to launch coins and initialize liquidity. The third step, aka the rug pull or manage liquidity button, is also here for our humble guidance. That's all what we need to launch a successful meme coin on Raydium. So if we go here to Photon, we can see a lot of meme coins being launched on Pump.Fun, and yeah, you can see the market caps right here. Yeah, if you launch a meme coin on Pump.Fun, it's not going to work that well. So if you go to Raydium, you will see a lot more meme coins with a lot higher market caps. That's also what I said in my first video. So we want to launch a meme coin on Raydium. So for that, we're going to go to Pump.Fun for what's trending these days. Okay, the Ashton Hall guy's meme coin is trending a lot. We will do something simple that's in trend. Yeah, frogs. That's simple but trending too with $1 million market cap. These meme ideas will work on Raydium as well because some are about to migrate to Raydium. So now we're going to head back to solanatokenlabs.io and we will create, launch, and manage tokens in 3 simple steps with that frog idea. Connecting wallet, connected. So we're going to create a meme coin starting from token name. We will call it FUG. Same FUG for the symbol also. For the image, I have copied from Pump.Fun. We will upload that right now. Uploaded. Next, for token description, let it be FU, GFU, GS for token. Decimals like supply. We will go with the recommended 9 DEC and 1 billion supply as always. Moving forward, token details and socials. No need to select this as market isn't saturated right now. Also, I have found a good hack to market our meme coins. We'll show you guys live after launch. Next, modify the creator info. This step is also not necessary right now unless you have a project behind your token. Next, custom token address. These are one of the perks of this website. With this, we can imitate successful Pump.Fun coins or moonshot coins by changing the suffix of the address. Lastly, revoke authorities. This is mandatory to gain people's trust. Like, revoke freeze means you can freeze token holders' accounts after launch. Revoke mint means you can mint more supply and erode coin price. Revoke update means you can share authorities to some other wallet after launch. Let's create a token by clicking this button. The creation process has begun. You can simply ignore all these warnings as I am doing. Press confirm. Yes. Now it's creating the coin, and as you can see, it has been created fast. So that's good. So here we have the token address. We can copy it, and what we are going to do now is we are going to go to Raydium. Chapter 2, Create Liquidity. Open the new tab of solanatokenlabs.io and click this button, Create Liquidity. It will take us to Raydium. Here, press Create and select the standard AMM option. Connect wallet. You just created a meme coin with. So we got that connected. The base token will be the token address of our meme coin. If you don't remember the name and the symbol, you just can come here and copy. And add user token, we're going to fill this in maximum. Set 900 million, and we can set Sol. As you can see, we have 14 Solana in my wallet. But we're just going to, for this video, we're going to do 3 Solana into the liquidity pool. Then we're going to have the fee tier on 2%, and we're going to initialize it. We're going to press confirm. So as you can see, the liquidity pool is going to get created right now. Chapter 3, Launched FUG Coin. And if we go to the portfolio and we're going to go to standard, the liquidity pool will show up right here. So as you can see, there's no data yet, but that doesn't matter because it takes time. Launched FUG, it takes some moments, it takes some seconds or a minute for the chart to show up. But yeah, as you can see, whether we already have buyers or not, yet no. Yeah, okay. As you can see, we are having some buyers already. We just got another buy. There's a lot of trading activity on our coin, as you can see. So that's pretty crazy. We just got another buy. So it's going pretty well. As you can see, we're getting a lot of activity on our coin right now. So as you can see, damn, we just got a lot of activity. So that's sick. So this is the power, guys, of having basically a copy of a trending Pump.Fun meme coin. So we launched the meme coin right now on Raydium that was trending on Pump.Fun. So that's why we have so much activity, guys. D, we just got another buy, and as you can see, I'm not even doing any marketing yet. So now we're just chilling. We're at 11,000 market cap already, so that's good, honestly. And as you can see, the liquidity is at 4.3k. Damn, we just got another buy. It's going really, really well. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to wait until the liquidity pool shows up at Raydium. We're at 17k market cap already, so that's sick. And recently I also found this website, what allows you to advertise for free marketing, free on Deck Screener, because Deck Screener is of course a very popular platform where you can analyze meme coins, where all kinds of meme coins are being launched. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to copy the token address of our meme coin, and we're going to promote the token and look if it's going to work. So what we're going to do here is just going to copy the token address. Chapter 4, free marketing website. We're going to paste it in here, and we're going to press promote token, and we're going to look if it's going to work, because maybe sometimes, as you can see, it's high traffic, so sometimes it doesn't work. Alright, cool. So the promotion has been successful, so our meme coin is going to be shown somewhere on Deck Screener for the coming 10 minutes. We just got another buy, so that's really good. We actually got a lot of activity, and we're at 20k market cap already, so that's craze. So now we're just chilling, and now someone else bought, so that's really good. We're at 20k mark, 22k market cap already. Now I'm just going to keep refreshing the Raydium website to wait to show the liquidity pool. We just got another buy, and this is probably because of the Deck Screener promotion. So that's a really good tool of making sure you get some promotion for your meme coin. We just got another. We're at 30,000 market cap already. That's crazy. Damn, 37, 41,000. That's crazy, bro. D, more people keep buying in. It's going pretty crazy. Just got another. Someone just sold a little bit, and we got another buy already. That's crazy. So we're just going to keep refreshing, and we're going to hope that not that many people are going to sell the coin. So that will be bad if they're going to sell. Of course, damn, we just made 72,000 market cap with 11,000 in liquidity. We just got a massive buy. So that's crazy. I hope the Raydium is going to show the liquidity pool soon, because then I will show you guys how we're going to play this game. Chapter 5, rug pull. Alright, so as you can see, the liquidity pool has shown up. I just refreshed the page, and if we're going to press this button, we can select 100%. Let's see how the coin is doing. So as you can see, the coin is doing extremely well. So basically, if you want, what you can do now is, if we're going to remove the liquidity, you can see that I will receive 40 Solana. If I will do this, of course, I will not do this, because I am completely ethical, and I will not rock anyone in this video. And as you can see, we have 40 Solana plus in our wallet. So that's crazy. We almost made a 10k profit. I don't know how much profit we made now eventually. So as you can see, Solana at this moment is $144. So time 4, we just made 5.7k in literally 5 minutes. So that's crazy. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Disclaimer, this video has been made entirely for educational purposes only.